Welcome back to the channel. Today, the 2025 Alfa Romeo 147 makes a bold return with a design that merges classic Italian styling with futuristic engineering. And today, we're going to dive into everything from its exterior design, performance, interior, and of course the pricing. From the very first glance, this hatchback stands out in a crowded field with its signature Rosso Alfa paint and the iconic triangular grille that has been modernized with sharper lines. The front end is dominated by sleek LED headlights that taper aggressively, giving it a sharp and athletic presence. Aerodynamic sculpting runs along the body with subtle curves that not only look beautiful, but also serve a functional purpose in reducing drag and improving overall efficiency. The wider stance and low-slung body create a sporty but refined profile, and the alloy wheels have been designed to complement its aggressive character while maintaining elegance. The rear of the car is equally striking, featuring bold LED taillights that wrap around the body and a dual exhaust setup that hints at the power lying under the hood. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Alfa Romeo 147 doesn't hold back. It offers multiple engine options, starting with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 that produces around 250 horsepower, making it agile and quick for city driving and weekend getaways. For enthusiasts who crave more, Alfa has also introduced a performance-oriented quadrifoglio version that pushes out close to 350 horsepower, capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 5 seconds. Handling has always been a hallmark of Alfa Romeo, and the 147 continues that legacy with a precise steering system, adaptive suspension, and a lightweight chassis that keeps the car planted to the road. The combination of Italian engineering and modern technology means you get a car that not only looks stunning, but also delivers a thrilling driving experience with balanced performance and efficiency. Step inside the cabin, and the Italian flair continues with a driver-focused interior that blends luxury and modern technology. The dashboard is clean and minimalistic, dominated by a large digital display that integrates infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings seamlessly. Soft-touch materials, premium leather upholstery, and brushed aluminum accents elevate the overall ambiance. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, offering excellent support for long drives, and rear passengers benefit from improved legroom compared to older generations. Ambient lighting adds a futuristic touch, while the premium sound system enhances the driving experience. Safety and technology are also top priorities, with advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and autonomous emergency braking, making the 147 not just stylish but also secure. Now let's talk pricing. Alfa Romeo has positioned the 2025 147 competitively in the premium hatchback segment. The base model starts around $32,000, offering strong value for a car with this level of design and engineering. The mid-range trims with upgraded features push the price closer to $38,000, while the high-performance quadrifoglio version comes in at around $47,000, which is justified considering the performance enhancements and exclusive features. With its balance of Italian style, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating driving dynamics, the 2025 Alfa Romeo 147 is more than just a car. It's an experience designed for those who want passion and performance wrapped into one sleek package. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.